Just cause why not? So today, instead of flying from Greater Rockford to Orange, which is my usual flight plan, we'll be flying Greater Rockford to I forgot Grindavik. I know it's different from my usual, but maybe try something new, because 2026 maybe not stuck with the old one. So this is the video. This is my third video after the gear animation update. Third video of ptfs after the gear animation update, and it's wow. Plus this thing, plus this thing and all is just fantastic. Like you can zoom out, you can do this, you can do this, you can move the maps, and like you could just plan like Grindavik is this. So like we'll take off and we'll come like this. A little faster because I can't make videos longer than 15 minutes. And you guys know that. I think I told my Islam R&D video. Yeah, I told you. But I don't know if any of you guys seen my video. Guys, I know I don't want to sound like I want subscribers. I don't want to sound like that. I just want to say like I really want subscribers because I want to live stream. Like if anybody wants to play, I can like tell them, yeah, you can play. Just you can friend me. Maybe if there's private server, if I have, you could play. I don't know. You could live stream. Maybe you could join same server as me, same game as me. Who knows? So let's join. I'm just going to gear animation. I don't know if any of you play ptfs, but okay, yeah. Rotate, V1 rotate. Oh my god, you almost overran. Gear up. Just like look at this. Guys, if you don't know, um, what do I say? Yeah, only the 767 has that this cargo gear door thing. You know what do I say? Like the gear door, so like the animation of the gear door, only that thing. Nowhere else. Full dive down, 3, 2, 1. Holding altitude. Holy guacamole! No, 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 no. Emirates, fly baby. Come on, mom. Have you guys ever seen Boeing landings? They're just like insane. Oh, oh, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh shit. If you look to your right, you will see a massive hill we're about to crash into. Please buckle your seatbelt, for I am about to show some insane maneuvering.
It's 10 o'clock.
Ah, shit! That didn't go so well. Let's try the jet. You know what? Let's try the jet. And let's be goofy right now, because why not? Let's fly wait, I forgot what was the one plane you played? I used again. Into modern military, into the I forgot. Let's do something. Let's be goofy. Z Z E full throttle. Air show moments caught on camera. Okay, this is going like that. Yeah, you see, we can take on like this. Why don't Flash! Pew, yuppie! Okay, animation of jets. Holy, that was close. We're gonna, let's be goofy. We're not gonna do an. Let's land at South and Tona. I be floppy? That's that man. What? A whole altitude. What? You want let's land at the airbase. Oh, perfect approach from Papi. Papi life, perfect approach. That is the end of today's video. I know it's really short, but you know, yeah. Bye.